Welcome to Be Pro Rider, where we bring you the latest updates on two-wheelers. In today's video, we are thrilled to discuss the much-awaited Honda Activa 7G, which has finally arrived with its 2025 model. In what's new in Honda Activa 7G, the Honda Activa has been a trusted name in the Indian scooter market for decades. And with the 7G, Honda has taken a leap into the future. The 2025 Activa 7G comes with a range of exciting updates that set it apart from its predecessors. It now boasts an all-new fuel-injected engine, offering smoother performance and better fuel efficiency. Daisy and Mill quality. In terms of design, Honda has managed to blend modern aesthetics with a classic look. The sharp LED headlights, stylish front apron, and new color schemes make the Activa 7G stand out on the road. The overall build quality feels more premium, offering durability and comfort, perfect for daily commuting. Tech and features. Honda has packed the Activa 7G with advanced features. It now comes equipped with a digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, and a USB charging port. Another key feature is the silent start technology, ensuring a quiet and seamless ignition. Additionally, the Smart Key feature adds a level of convenience and security. Engine performance. Under the hood, the Honda Activa 7G houses a refined 110cc engine designed to deliver improved mileage while reducing emissions. The Eco mode ensures optimal performance, making it not just powerful, but also environmentally friendly. Ride quality and comfort. When it comes to ride quality, the telescopic front suspension and revised rear shock absorbers provide a more comfortable experience on uneven roads. The larger 12-inch wheels also contribute to improved stability and handling. The 2025 Honda Activa 7G is a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. With its updated design, enhanced performance, and advanced tech features, it's set to continue the legacy of the Activa while catering to the needs of modern riders. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe to Be Pro Rider for more exciting updates on the latest two-wheelers. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.